Check out this 2015 GMC Canyon SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, driver alert package, 6 speakers, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster and power driver seat. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.